everyone, I'm Arah from koreanarah. Today's lesson is about the prefix 과. 과 is 한자어, which is a Sino-Korean word, and 과 means 과하다 or 지나치다 in English, to be excessive, to be extreme or severe. So 과 is used when the degree of something is above a certain standard or limit. In Korean, there are lots of compound words which include 과, for example, 과식, 과음, 과로, 과속, 과소비. In this lesson, I'll show you the meanings of these 5 words and how to use them in a sentence. Number 1. 과식, 과식. 식 in this word means 먹다, to eat. So 과식 means overeating. The verb form of 과식 is 과식하다. Here are some examples. 과식보다 소식이 건강에 더 좋다고 해요. People say that eating less is healthier than overeating. 과식보다 소식이 건강에 더 좋다고 해요. 과식하면 살이 찌기 쉬워요. If you overeat, you will easily gain weight. 과식하면 살이 찌기 쉬워요. Number 2. 과음, 과음. In this word means to drink, 마시다. So 과음 means overdrinking. The verb form of 과음 is 과음하다. Here are some examples. 잦은 과음은 간을 해칠 수 있어요. Frequent overdrinking can harm your liver. 잦은 과음은 간을 해칠 수 있어요. 어제 과음해서 속이 안 좋아요. My stomach hurts because I overdrank yesterday. 어제 과음해서 속이 안 좋아요. Number 3. 과로, 과로. 로 in this word means 일하다, to work. So 과로 means overwork. However, it's not only working overtime, but also working hard enough to feel mentally or physically extremely tired. The verb form of 과로 is 과로하다. Here are some examples. 저희 아버지께서 과로로 병원에 입원하셨어요. My father is in the hospital because of overwork. 저희 아버지께서 과로로 병원에 입원하셨어요. 며칠 동안 과로했더니 코피가 났어요. I overworked for the past few days, so my nose bled. 며칠 동안 과로했더니 코피가 났어요. Number 4. 과속, 과속. 속 in this word means 빠르다, to be fast. So 과속 means speeding. The verb form of 과속 is 과속하다, to speed. Here are some examples. 지금 경찰이 과속 차량을 단속하고 있어요. The police are controlling the speeding vehicles now. 경찰이 과속 차량을 단속하고 있어요. 기사님, 과속하지 말고 안전하게 가주세요. Sir, please drive safely without speeding. 기사님, 과속하지 말고 안전하게 가주세요. You can say that in a taxi. Number 5. 과소비, 과소비. 소비 in this word means 소비하다, to consume or to spend. So 과소비 means overconsumption or overspending. The verb form of 소비 is 소비하다, to overspend. Here are some examples. 과소비를 막으려고 신용카드 대신 체크카드를 써요. I use a debit card instead of credit cards to prevent overspending. 과소비를 막으려고 신용카드 대신 체크카드를 써요. 신용카드를 쓰면 과소비하기가 쉬워요. It's easy to overspend when you use credit cards. 신용카드를 쓰면 과소비하기가 쉬워요. Let's review what we have learned today. The prefix 과 means 과하다 or 지나치다 in English, to be excessive, to be extreme or severe. And you learned 5 words which include 과, 과식, 과음, 과로, 과속, 과소비. I hope you find this video helpful and write your own Korean sentences with the 과 in the comments below. 그럼 공부 열심히 하세요. 우리 다음 시간에 봐요. 안녕히 계세요.